Hey guys, quick question. Do you own a car? If yes, how much are you actually paying every single month? EMI, insurance, fuel, parking, maintenance. Add it all up and it is approximately 25 or 30,000 every month. And half the time the car is just sitting in your parking spot doing nothing. So today I am going to tell you about something that is honestly changing the way people think about cars. It's called car subscription and it's available right here in India with RentTrip. Let me paint you a picture. You just moved to a new city, new job, new life. You need a vehicle. So what you do? Option 1 is buying a car. Here you have to give down payment of 2 to 3 lakhs. Then EMI every month. Then insurance, service, and suddenly one day something goes wrong. And 5 to 8,000 rupees gone just like that. Option 2. Use auto, taxi every single day. Sounds easy, right? But if you are traveling 20 to 25 km daily, that too in traffic, you know what your monthly bill looks like. It's hectic and painful. Option 3. Public transport. Great for some routes, but let's be honest, not always convenient, not always comfortable. So what's the smart option? That's option number 4. RentTrip car subscription. So what exactly is RentTrip? RentTrip is a self-drive rental platform serving in 50 plus cities where you can subscribe to a four-wheeler for a fixed monthly price as per your budget. No buying, no EMI, no ownership. You just pay one single monthly amount and the vehicle is yours to use. Think of it just like Netflix, but for cars. You don't buy every movie, right? You just subscribe and enjoy. Same idea here. RentTrip gives you clean, well-maintained vehicles whether you want it for your daily commute or for a weekend road trip. And the best part is you are in full control. Self-drive means your schedule, your route, your freedom. Okay, so how does it actually works? It's honestly very simple. Step 1. Go to RentTrip app or website, that is www.renttrip.in. Step 2. Select your city and choose your vehicle, whatever fits you best. Step 3. Pick your subscription plan, weekly or monthly. Flexible options are available. Step 4. Visit the location. Complete your quick verification. You just need license and basic documents. And that's it. You are ready to go. No dealer visits, no long loan paperwork, no waiting for weeks. The whole process is just clean and hassle-free. Now let me tell you why this actually makes sense. Benefit 1. It saves money. When you subscribe through RentTrip, you are not paying for insurance separately, you are not paying for maintenance from your pocket. Everything is bundled in one fixed price. No surprises. Benefit 2. Zero ownership stress. Car giving trouble, service due, that is RentTrip's problem, not yours. Just fuel it up and drive. They handle the rest. Benefit 3. Perfect for people who just moved in. If you have just moved to a new city for work or studies, buying a new vehicle immediately is a big risk. What if you move cities in next 6 months? What if your office changes? With RentTrip subscription, zero risk. Just subscribe when you need and stop when you don't. Having your own subscribed vehicle means you leave when you want. No waiting for cabs during peak hours, no surge pricing, and no sharing autos in traffic. RentTrip got you covered. So if you are tired of paying too much for the taxis or depending on local transport or stressing about vehicle ownership, try RentTrip. Visit their website, check out the subscription plan and pick the vehicle that works for you. The link is right here in the description below or go check out their website www.rentrip.in. And hey, if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are stressed up with the daily commutes, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, drive safe, and enjoy the freedom.